We're going for a walk down the street.
Oh. Come on, Blue.
This is
Almost got it.
this guy's stuck. He's not moving. It's too icy.
Look at me, Ashley. Look at me.
My car. There's a car in front of me, and there is a little car behind me. It's gone. Mine will be soon.